They'd been waiting a long time for a decision. Once in the dock, defendants had to wait a few more excruciating hours while their charges were read out under oppressive temperatures. Finally came the verdicts. Relief for those freed and their relatives, but distress and anger for the families of the convicted. 7 former oil workers accused of organising riots after an industrial strike were jailed for up to 7 years. Another 6 defendants were given shorter terms.
The judge is struggling to read out the sentences above the sounds coming from the families here who've been made to wait for 3.5 hours standing for the convictions to come, and it's too much for some of the mothers of the defendants to bear.
Proceedings ended in pandemonium. Doubts about the fairness of the trial surfaced after defendants and even prosecution witnesses testified that police investigators had tortured them. There was no jury and little in the way of solid evidence, but officials insisted justice was served.
I think it was an impartial trial. Some people were freed and some people were punished.
Supporters of the oil workers say an example has been made of those who challenged the status quo.
These oil workers who didn't kill anyone, they merely took a stand to demand their wages.
Another trial will shortly begin for activists accused of financing the strike to cause a revolution. But relatives of those jailed here simply believe innocent people are now behind bars. Robin Forestier-Walker, Al Jazeera, Aktau.